So good evening once again. Today is our day 6 of this capacity building training for 1,000 Nigerian civil servants on ICT, which is organized by Hammad Technologies and Consultancy Limited. So as always, we start by showing our outlines. That is what we are going to cover for the day. And our outlines for today goes like this. A recap on day 5. We will have a small recap on what we have taught on day 5. Then we'll talk on user account. We would also talk on email communication. We will also talk on conclusion. So a recap on day 5. Yesterday we discussed on keyboard, in which we see where we know what keyboard is used for, and some part of the keyboard which include alphanumeric keys, which we said alphabetic and numeric keys, function keys, F1 to F12, control keys, navigation keys, numeric keys, and special keys. So today we are going to discuss on user account. So when we say user account, a user account is normal account on our computer. No computer work without a user account. Yeah, each computer has a user account that is on it. And this user account, we have administration account and which other account and standard account. So the administration account is the account that is already on the computer, while standard account is the account that you are going to add on the computer. So now this user account lets people log in and use a computer. So now, for example, maybe you and your brother can use the same computer with different account. He cannot see your work, and also you cannot see his work. So you can open as many user accounts, as many as possible user accounts. You can open as many as user accounts on a computer. So this user account is it just lets someone log into computer with his own username and password. So that's just this work of user account. So you can log in, you can create as many user accounts as you want. And it also keeps their files and settings safe from others. So maybe in an administration, so maybe in your office, you are only using one computer or you are using only one laptop. So if you have 10 staffs, all those 10 staffs can open their own account on one computer. This one will finish his work, he will log out. This one will log in his own account, finish his work, log out. This one, so the same thing. So you can open as many accounts as you like. So if we move to practical, you will see how to open a user account, how to put a password on it, and other things. So this is how to open a user account. Then moving to the next agenda, which is email communication. Yeah, we'll also show you how to communicate using email, because many of our trainees, we have done many trainings. So most of our students or most of our trainees find it difficult when we send them assignment. So when they are going to reply, or when they are going to send the solution to their assignment, instead of them to compose a new message and attach the file, so they will just reply to the message, which we find it difficult for us to track your assignment. Some people just be complaining, I have submitted so assignment, but you do not mark it. So instead of them to compose a new email, they will just reply the email we sent to them. They will just reply the email we sent to them on their, we sent the assignments to them. So they will just reply it. And we will find it difficult for us to track your assignment. So that's why we choose to teach you this email communication. So you're just sending messages over the internet. It is fast and it is also low cost. For example, now maybe you want to send a memo, or you want to share a memo within the academic sector. Instead of you to printing it, okay, you have to sit down, type it, print it, be pasting it on this notice board, on this door, so you be sharing it to different offices. So for you to save time and cost, so you can just sit down, collect all the email addresses of other offices, just sit down, draft the memo, and just forward it. Whether it is a file or you can type it, so you can just forward it at once. So you see, it has saved your time and also cost. So this is what we are going to cover for today. And today's class is not going to be that long. So we'll just move to practical. So let me stop sharing my screen. So let's move to practical. Let me share my screen again. So please, can you all see my screen? Please, if you can see my screen, let me know, please. Let me know in the chat if you can see my screen. Okay, so now let's start by creating a user account. So if you want to create a user account on a computer, so by default now, what you are seeing here is my user account. So now we want to create another user account on this computer. So for us to create another user account on this computer, you can all see my cursor, right? So if you just come to this window symbol, this start menu bar, by just clicking on it, you click on settings. So if you click on settings now, it will show you this. It will show you all the system, device, mobile device, network administration. So as you can see now, this is my own account. It's the administration account. So now we want to add another user account to this computer. So you come to where the right account, this account now, click on it. So now if you click on it, you see, so this is my own account now. This is my own account. So now how can we add another account in this computer? So you come to family and users. If you come to setting, go to accounts, then come to family and other users. And if you like, you can just search it, setting. Or if you like, you can use control panel. But for now, we are using this method. So if you click on family and other users, it will show you add a family member or add someone else to this PC. So you are not adding a family member. You are adding someone else to this PC. So by just clicking on this now. So let's wait and see. So just a moment. So add someone else to this computer. Yeah. So how will this person sign in? Enter the email address. So I don't have this person sign in. So you can just click on next. No, next. Let me just put my email. So we can add a user without a Microsoft account. So now, because I'm connected to internet, so that's why it's showing me all that I have to put an email address for someone that has a Microsoft account. So by just clicking on this family and other user, it will show you this, create a user for this PC. So now, who is going to use this PC? Who is going to use this PC? So maybe, let's say admin, or let's say administration. So he's the one that is going to use this computer. So now, they said make it secure. So you have to make the account secure. So let's put a password. Let's put admin12. So you see admin12. So we can also come here and write admin12. So that's our password. So this one is in caps. So make sure this confirmation password and this one is the same thing. So now, so it will ask you a security questions in case you forgot, in case you forget your password. So now you can choose 3 security questions. So let's see how the questions looks like. Number 1, what is your first pet's name? What's the name of the city you were born. So now we can, let's say, Gusau. So now to this security question, it will just help you to recover your account, maybe if you forget your password. Then security question two, what was your childhood nickname? So maybe my childhood nickname, let's say this is my childhood nickname, for example. Then it will ask you, what is the name of the first school you attended? So you can choose all this from this security question, you can choose anyone you like. So me, I'm just choosing this. So what's the name of this? So let's say Ungwal Zavarma Model Primary School. So this is first school I have attended. So now, by inserting all these informations now, by clicking on next now, so you see, so this is the name of this is the account we just added now. This is the account we just added now, administration. So you see, if you like, you can remove it. If you like, you can change account type. So this is how to create a user account. So now, how can you log in into this user account? We will come back the same way to this start menu by clicking on it now. If you come here now, by clicking on this is the administration account, right? This is the administration account. So now by clicking on it, so you see, this is the account we just created. So now, for us to log in into this administration account we just created, we have to sign out. So now if I sign out, my screen will not be showing and it will take us somewhere else. So now by just signing out on this, my own account and clicking on this, so you just log in. So before you log in, you have to put your password, which is admin12. So if you just put it, that's it. So as I said, you can change this account type. You see, we have standard user. So I'm the one who owns the computer. So I must be the administrator. So anyone else that I'm going to put, he has to be what? He has to be a standard user. So this is how to create user accounts. So you understand. So this is how we create user account. If we want to log in to this user account, so we just come here onto, you see the account, the administration account. So by just clicking on it, if we open 10 user account, you see them lining here. So you just sign out to the administration account or sign out to the standard user account. You just log in, then log into the account you want. So this is how we create user accounts. And this is how we also, so now if you want to remove this user account, this is how you remove this user account. But for you to remove a user account, you have to log out. For example, now maybe if I want to remove this user account, right? I want to remove it now. So it will ask us, because we are not logged in. So if you say we have logged in this user account, we have to log out before we can remove it. So if I like now, I can just delete this account. By just clicking on this now, I can just delete this account. So this is how we create a user account. By using this, come to this menu, this startup menu, this window key, window logo, by just clicking on it. Or if you like, you can search on control panel. You see, so this is control panel. So by just clicking on this control panel, you come to this user account. By clicking on this user account, you see, this is user account. So now, manage another account. So you see, so you come here to add a new user. These are the accounts we have. This is the administration account, and this is the local account I just opened now, which is administration. And you see, it's password protected. So you see, so it will just carry you direct to this place. So from here now, you can add someone else, enter the name, and also some security questions. So this is how you create user account. So moving to the next agenda in our slide is email communication. So as I said earlier, email communication, it helps you to send messages, also receive messages. It saves time and also it saves cost. So now let's see how we can communicate using email address. So normally email address, but already if your email address is login in your Google account, like for example, now this Google account, the email is already logged in here. So maybe if your email is not login, so you have to come here, you have to enter your Google Chrome, you have to enter your Chrome and log in your Google account. So if you just enter your Chrome, so this is how it will look like. So this is our email, right? So just click on this. So our email is opening. So now this is our email interface. So let me just explain this email interface in brief. Yeah, in brief, let me explain this email interface. So now this inbox, each and every message they send you, this is where it will come to directly, except if email did not agree or did not like have 100% assurance with that message. Maybe that the message is a spam. So it should just push it to a spam. But any message they sent you, you find it in this inbox. We have many more. Any message that you sent, this is where you see it. Your draft message, this is where you see them. All email, it will show all your emails. Then spam folders. There are sometimes if messages are sent to you, you will not see them in this inbox, but they will go directly to what? To this spam folder. So this is trash. So this trash now, if you delete email, so it will go to this trash. And if it goes there, it will spend 30 minutes before it will disappear. But after 30 minutes, you cannot restore it back. So the way we do recycle bin and other stuff. So this is this. And this is, no, with no need for us to explain this. So now, this is compose. I can say is the most important thing. This compose now that's where our topic of discussion is going to be. Now, for example, if we send you a message or if we send you an assignment and you are going to reply, you are going to send the solution of your assignment to us. First thing to do, if you open your email, you come to this compose, this pencil. Sometimes you not see this compose, you only see this pencil. So by clicking on this compose now, this is what it will show you. By clicking on this compose, yeah, this is what it will show you. It will show you this tool. So this tool means who are you sending message to? If you are sending message to Hammad Technologies, so you write Hammad Bootcamp at gmail.com. So maybe you are sending message to Hammad Bootcamp. Maybe you are replying message to us. So this is two. Then we also have what we call CC and BCC. CC is carbon copy. CC is carbon copy. And BCC is bond carbon copy. These two are different. CC, if maybe now in an administration you want to send message to multiple emails, but the message is the same, right? If the message is the same, but you are sending it maybe to thousands of people. So now, if you are sending message to thousands of people or to many people, and you don't want each other to know that they have sent message to me. Maybe, for example, now, you are sending message to 10 people. So you don't want them to know that they have sent message to other person, they have sent message to other person. So now you come here to this BCC. You pick all their emails and paste them here in this BCC. That is if you are sending message to multiple people and you don't want them to know that they have sent message to other people. Maybe you are sending a message or congratulations message so you have qualified for program. So now you just copy all their emails, paste them on this BCC. Is bond carbon copy. Is when you are sending multiple message to when you are sending the same message to multiple emails and you don't want them and you don't want email to notify them, what the message they have sent to you, they have sent it to another person. So you just pick all the emails and paste them in this BCC. Why, if you are sending a message to multiple people and that message is the same message, but you want them to know that, okay, the message they have sent to me, they have sent it to other person, they have sent it to other person. You want each other to know that they have sent message to them. So you just pick their emails and send and put it to this CC. So now let me just put some emails here. Let's say Hammad Technologies. Let's say Hammad Technologies at gmail.com. Yeah, this is it. So let me put my own email. Let's say Aliyu Muhammad 588 at gmail.com. So now if I send message now, these two people will not know that I have sent message. Hammad Technologies will not know that I have sent message to what? To Aliyu Muhammad. Like always, also, Aliyu Muhammad will not know that I've sent message to what? To Hammad Technologies. But if I want them to know that I've sent message to them, I will just click on this CC. Let me put Hammad. Yeah, Hammad Technologies at gmail.com. So let's say Aliyu. Let's say Aliyu Muhammad 588 at gmail.com. So now in this CC, these two will know that Hammad Technologies will know that I've sent message to Aliyu Muhammad, and Aliyu Muhammad will know that I've sent message to Hammad. If you put the emails in BCC, they were in CC, but in BCC, Hammad will not know that I've sent message to Aliyu, and Ali will not know that I've sent message to Hammad. So maybe you have to include subject. So the subject, let's say week 1 assignments. We are sending week 1 assignment. So let's say this is the subject. So this is where you write what? After subject, then this is where you write body, like body of your brief explanation of the subject. Let's say, let's find the attached file for your reference. Maybe, let's say, warm regards, maybe CO. Let's say TO, that's Technology Officer Aliyu Muhammad. So now, by this now, so you have finished drafting your email. That's if you are sending an email message. But if you are just sending it directly to only one person, so no need of this CC. So just this CC now, no need of it. And even this BCC, no need of it. I just do that for sake of explanation. So if you are sending message to this, so you just click on this bootcamp. You just come to 2 and include the email address and put the email address you want to send message to. So this is it. So now the next thing is attaching a file. There are some that you, after this, they'll just click on send. So no, so you have to attach your file. So when attaching a file, this is where you are going to attach your file. By just clicking on it, you see attached files have appear. So now, by just clicking on this attached file, so now, let's say this is the file you want to attach. Or let's say this is our folder. Let's say Hammad Technologies. So this is our folder. So let's say we want to send this. Or let's say this. So this is how you attach a file. By just clicking on attach, you navigate to the folder where you have, this is, maybe you have set it on your desktop. So these are the old folders I have on my desktop. But what I want to send is inside this Hammad Technology, inside this, then I'll just click on it. So if I click on open now, so you see, it is, so now the file has loaded. So I'm done. So this is how to send assignment. When we send assignment to you, this is how you send your assignment, please. So now by this, So by just clicking on enter or send now, it will just go. So it is sending. So you see, it shows message sent. So our message has been sent. So now let's come to our sent items now and see. So you see, this is what we just sent. Which time? 9:30. So we just sent our assignment 9:30. So this is how to compose a new mail message. This is how you compose a new mail message. And this is how you are expected to this is how you are expected to submit your assignment whenever your weekly assignment is given to you. This is how you are expected to submit your assignment, please. Compose a new message, input email address, subject, and maybe body of the email, then attach your file, then send it. And sometimes if we send an assignment to you, you did not see it on your inbox. So maybe it is on your spam folder. So you have to check there. So this is how we communicate using email. So I think this is all we have for our user accounts and email communication. We have seen how to create user accounts, how to give that user account a password and answer some security questions. So if you have any question, you can answer. We just have we have less than 4 minutes, please. If you have any question, drop the question in the chat. Please, if you have any question, you can drop the question in the chat. So please, if you have any question, let me know in the chat. If you have any question, just drop it in the chat. Okay, so let me see. Please, I just joined the meeting. My question is this an actual assignment or you are setting an example? No, this is not the actual assignment. No, this is not the actual assignment. This is just an example. And as you can see, I just sent it to our Hammad official email. This is just an example. I just show you how to send and how to compose a new assignment whenever you are going to submit your assignment. How to compose a new email message. Not some of you will just reply. Will just reply the email sent to you. So this is how you are going. This is how you are supposed to send your assignment. So this one is saying, okay, thank you. We have less than 3 minutes, please. If you have any question, you can drop it in the chat. Today's class is not that long, so if you have any question, please just drop it. And if there is any question, so we can call it a day. But we have less than 3 minutes, please. Okay, let me see. Good evening. Please, when using BCC and CC, must you write email address on that too? Or you are only to write the emails order? Yeah, if you like, you can write two. You can just maybe the manager's address. Maybe you can write the manager's address into two, then order, but you can leave it like that. You can just include BCC and CC and that's all. You understand? So you can, if you like, you can put email, but the email you put in two, so you can put it in CC also. You understand? So that's it. But you can leave it like that. I have found it difficult to join. I left behind. We are pleading with the record, please. Yeah, the record will is going to be dropped soon, inshallah. Today in the night or tomorrow morning, inshallah. Don't worry. But please be attending the class. The attendance is very important. Although we are not marking attendance, but the attention is very important. The attendance is very important, please. But if you are finding it difficult, we will be dropping the recorded class, inshallah. So if you have any question, you can ask, please. We just have less than 2 minutes. Okay. So let me see. I'm irregular. Yeah, okay. So, sometimes network used to give some of us issue here. So I understand you. Don't worry. Inshallah, we'll drop the recorded class. So this one is saying I don't do attendees. Which one is I don't do attendees, please? Can you clarify yourself, please? I don't do attendance or I don't attend. Which one is? I don't understand this, what you are trying to say, please. Abu Bakar Yusuf. So we have less than 1 minute. So I think for the absence of question, I think we can call it a day. Thank you. Good night. Have a wonderful night.